Hi, my name is Jan. I'm a marketplace expert at CSCard. We're starting a Marketplace Academy. It's a self-paced, step-by-step course on how to start, run, and grow an e-commerce marketplace. Once you complete the Academy, you will have a shaped personal strategy on how to start and run your own online marketplace. We've been developing the marketplace platform and helping our customers run their marketplaces for more than 16 years. And our customers have been asking us for guides, instructions, checklists on how to run a marketplace, just because many of them were new to this kind of business. They often only had a great marketplace idea, but they had no idea what to start from. How to attract sellers and buyers, how to set up payment and shipping methods, how to prepare legal documents, and so on. Of course, we shared instructions, video guides, blog posts, but these were just fragmented pieces of knowledge. Our customers still lacked a shaped strategy for starting a successful marketplace, and it greatly slowed down their launch. We created our Marketplace Academy to address this problem. It's a one-stop course with essential steps to start a marketplace and bring it to success. Step by step, you will increase your expertise in marketplace business and develop and shape your own marketplace idea. After you complete the Academy, you will know the marketplace industry, the software solutions, the best practices on starting, promoting, and growing a marketplace. You will develop your personal strategy for the marketplace launch. And, as a result, you will start quicker and grow faster. The Academy has 4 modules. The first module, Introduction to Marketplaces, gives you a clear image of a marketplace as a business. The second module, which is called Marketplace Launch, is all about step-by-step guide on starting a marketplace. The third and the fourth modules are all about popularization and growth. The course has regular homeworks to solidify your knowledge and train yourself on real marketplace software. In the end of each module, you will pass an exam to see your progress. To enroll in the Academy, complete the form with your name and email, and you will be getting 1 or 2 lessons weekly to your mailbox. After several lessons, we will send you homework. And once you complete a module, you will have a test. The education is 100% self-paced. Learn at your own comfortable speed, no obligations, no deadlines. You will get permanent access to all the lessons. All the educational materials in the Academy are created based on many years of our experience with marketplaces. Almost every CSCard team and department was involved in creating this course, from the CSCard architecture to the customer care team and marketing. We put our marketplace knowledge together in a one-stop educational resource so that you can learn in several months what we learned in years. So guys, enroll, learn at your own pace, start your own marketplace, and bring it to success.